straightening your hair driving you mad? Burnt combs and burnt fingers cramping your style? The Let's Get Straight Flat Ironing Comb is so easy to use, you'll straighten your hair in half the time.
Some of my favorite things about this Let's Get Straight Flat Ironing Comb is that it's easy to part and straighten at the same time. And since my hair holds so much heat, I don't have to worry about the comb melting in my hair.
It also made it so easy for me to flat iron my hair, give it this silky look that I like, and get close to my roots so I can get that nice straight, not going anywhere hair.
It's not only a comb but also a guide, so it's really easy when I flat iron my hair, and it makes it really silky and smooth.
No more long costly trips to the salon. Made of high quality heat resistant fibers, it stays cool to the touch and travels with ease. Go to letsgetstraight.com and get yours for just $9.99. Act now and get not one but two Let's Get Straight Flat Ironing Combs for just the cost of additional shipping and handling.